Hi, Ellie and Vincent. This little book is called Purple Little Bird. Isn't he cute? He got a little paintbrush. Let's see what he does. Purple Little Bird loved everything purple. He lived in a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. Wow. I like purple. Purple Little Bird worked hard to make his house perfect. He baked cookies. He put some of his purple flowers in a vase. He swept the floor with a purple broom to keep his house clean. And he's hanging a picture in a purple frame. He's fixing a leak in the sink. He's going to get rid of that spider. Spiders don't belong in the house. And he's going to change a light bulb, but he better be careful standing on that. You have to be really careful when you climb up on stuff. Don't you, Vincent? But no matter what he did... Oh, see? He fell. He was on there. He wasn't being careful, and he fell. Something was not quite right. Looks okay to me. Everything is in its place. So one day, he packed a bag and went looking for a truly perfect place. Wow. Purple Little Bird walked all the way to Brown Bear's cave. He's Brown Bear in his cave. I'm looking for the perfect place, he said. My cave is warm and cozy, said Brown Bear. It's warm and cozy, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too dark. So Purple Little Bird climbed a steep cliff to see the gray goat. I'm looking for the perfect place, he said. This is probably the perfect place for a goat. It's bright and sunny here, said Gray Goat. It's bright and sunny, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too windy. And there goes his little backpack. Wind blew it away. Purple Little Bird continued on until he met Yellow Camel. Maybe this is the perfect place, he said. My desert is nice and quiet, said Yellow Camel. It's nice and quiet, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too dusty. Yeah, if you're out in the desert, the sand is blowing around. Then Purple Little Bird found Blue Frog in his pond. I hope this is the perfect place, he said. Looks perfect for a frog. He's got some rain clouds, and he's got a pond of water. Frogs like to be in a pond. My pond is very cool and refreshing, said Blue Frog. It is cool and refreshing, said Purple Little Bird, but it's too damp. Damp means wet. Well, of course it's wet. It's in a pond, and it's raining. Yeah, it's going to be wet. So Purple Little Bird kept going until he saw a beautiful tree. Wow, that is a pretty tree. 3 pink possums hung there in a row. The little possums hang by their tails. He told the pink possums all the places he'd been. "We know a place," they said, "that isn't too dark, windy, dusty, or damp." And he's trying to hang like they are, but he doesn't have a long tail like they do. He's trying to hang by his little foot. So Purple Little Bird followed the possums. To his surprise, they stopped at a purple little house with a purple little fence and a very purple garden. Purple Little Bird looked around. "You know what's wrong with this place?" he said. "It's too much purple." Whoa. But now I know what to do. But he loved purple. Now he thinks it's too much purple. So they made it perfect. The little possums are helping. They're painting some of the flowers blue. They're painting the chimney up on the roof red. And they painted some of the trim yellow. And it looks like they're painting the house white. I guess they made it perfect. These are all the places he went. He started out at his house, which is now white with different colors. First he went to see the bear. It was too dark in there. Then he went to see the goat. And it was too windy. Then he went to see the camel. And it was too dusty. Then he went to see the frog. And it was too damp. And then he went to talk to the possums. And they led him right back to his house. Well, that was a cute story.